Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on one of Kat Stickler's favorite Amazon athletic brands. This is QQQ. Now, I believe she was wearing the black version of this romper, and I have had it on my cart for quite a while, ready to check out, and I just never pulled the trigger. But with summer kind of dwindling away from us, I really wanted to give them a try. Now, these rompers come in sets of two. I picked up the black and ivory. Online it says it is beige, but it doesn't look too beige to me. I also picked up the black and brown because, spoiler alert, I didn't love the beige in person. So I am really excited to try these on. Overall, I felt like the material was really soft. It was kind of buttery. It's a little thicker than I would have expected it to be, but it gives a really good compression. And you can see that there is a little bit of a difference in the rib from the chest to the waist, but once I put it on, you can't really tell that that's there. So overall, I really like this romper. I, as a disclaimer, have not tried on many rompers or bought many rompers because I've never really liked them. I always thought that you could see like the seam going down the middle or in the waist and it was in a weird position, but I didn't have that issue with this one. Now, the one thing that I did notice when Kat was trying it on versus when I did, or even on the stock photos, is that the length of the shorts looks a little bit shorter, both when she tried it on and in the stock photos. So buyer beware. I don't know if it's the angle that they posted the video in, or if it, the stock photo, or if it is just, AI generated for the photo and not actually representative, but it did feel a little bit longer in real life. Now, as I mentioned, I didn't like that ivory color. I felt like it showed everything underneath, but I do really like the black and this brown. Now, you can kind of see it a little bit better with the brown, but you see the waist has a more fine ribbed material right in the middle there. And I honestly think it kind of gives you more of a definition in your waist. So I don't know if that was intentional or if it was, supposed to cinch you in a little bit better, but I really liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, which colors you're interested in. It also comes in a pink, it comes in a purple, and a gray. I will put all of the links in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.